YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another Bible sketch notes, Bible doodling, scripture writing. Well, not really scripture writing, but I don't know what you call it, Bible notes, arts, whatever, Bible study. So we have finished the first 5 books of the Bible, which is called the Torah, of the Pentateuch, and so we are now moving into the historical books. So today I will be doing an overview of the book of Joshua, and we will go from this. There's 12 books in this next section of history, and so far I've been doing 3 pages per book. I don't know if that stays the same, but we will see. I will aim for that, but because I know some books are going to be smaller. But these are the books right here: Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicle, 2 Chronicle, Ezra, Nehemiah, and Esther. So these are the books that we're going to embark upon right now in the Old Testament. So, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to put it on fast forward, and you can see me work, and we'll see what it looks like for the overview. Okay, so I am back. I am finished. Before I get into this, I want to talk about the fact that we finished up with the Torah, the Pentateuch, and I wrote down some questions about the ending of the first 5 books, the ending of Moses' reign. We had some questions that hadn't been answered. So now we're transitioning to the books of history, with Joshua being Moses' successor, and those lingering questions are still there. They have to possess the land. They have so many things they have to do. So when we look at the book of Joshua, you know, the survey of it is basically about the conquest and the settlement of Canaan. So the key word is conquest. The verses is Joshua 1:8. We all know that one. And then Joshua 11:23 and in chapter 24 are the key ones to really help you understand that particular book of the Bible. And the author is credited to Joshua, and this covers about a 25-year span, and it's between 1400 to 375 BC. So the focus again is on the conquest of Canaan and the settlement of Canaan. It's divided in 2 halves. The first half is the preparation of Israel and the conquest of Canaan. The other half of the book is divided into the settlement, the east of Jordan, the west of Jordan, the religious community, and settlement of all 3 of those, and then the conditions for continual settlement. So the topic here: entering Canaan, or the preparation; conquering Canaan, or the subjection. And again, it goes into dividing Canaan and possession. That is really what the division of the book is about. The location, the first half, when they're conquering Canaan, is in the Jordan River, and of course Canaan. 2.5 tribes east of the Jordan, 9.5 tribes west of the Jordan. Time frame for the first part of it, when the preparation of Israel is about a month. Conquest of Canaan, 7 years, and then the settlement is 8 years. So that's a quick overview. Of course, Joshua, well, at the end of the book dies, but anyway, we'll talk more about that later on. I did add some butterflies because it changes and a pop of color, but Joshua is a new era. This is a whole new era. We see Moses being a strong leader for the first 5 books, and now we're going to see this nation that has formed go through some changes. They're out of Egypt, but Egypt is still in them, and that not fully trusting in God yet, you know, to go settle the land. They're excited to be in Canaan. They're excited to settle the land, but some things, you know, are going to happen. And we're going to talk about the struggles and the things that they did to get to Canaan and things like that. So, you know, nice, interesting story, transition and change. So this is my entry for this week, and I'm going to write down my date, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I dare you to read your word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.